In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use heading blocks in Notion. If your pages ever feel like a wall of text, heading blocks are the simplest way to introduce structure, make information scannable, and guide readers through your content. Think of them as signposts. They mark where a new idea begins and help you keep related content grouped under clear labels. Whether you're building a knowledge base, planning a project, or taking meeting notes, headings set a clean visual hierarchy that keeps everything manageable. Start by opening the Notion page, where you want to add headings. Once you're there, click inside the page content area to place your cursor. You can add headings anywhere, at the very top to outline your page, or between existing content to break it into sections. Even in a long page, introducing headings retroactively makes it much easier to navigate and maintain over time. With your cursor ready, type / followed by the word heading. This quick command opens Notion's menu of block options and filters it to what you need. The / command is fast and precise, which is especially helpful when you're building out structure as you write. You'll see options for heading 1, heading 2, and heading 3. Choose the heading level that matches the importance of your section. Heading 1 is the largest and is great for major sections or page-wide themes. Heading 2 is slightly smaller, perfect for subsections within those main areas. Heading 3 is the most compact and works well for finer details or subpoints. A helpful approach is to use heading 1 for the big buckets, then nest ideas beneath with heading 2 and heading 3 for a clean, readable outline. After you select a heading level, enter your section title inside the heading block. Keep titles short, specific, and clear so readers instantly know what lives under each one. Action-focused phrases like project overview, key decisions, or next steps make it obvious what to expect. Consistency also helps. Use similar phrasing and capitalization across headings so your page feels intentional and professional. Continue adding headings throughout the page to organize your content clearly. If you're working from notes, skim for natural breaks where a new idea starts and drop a heading there. If you're building from scratch, sketch your main sections first with heading 1. Then fill in details under them with heading 2 and heading 3. Over time, these headings become a reliable map for you and anyone else reading the page.